Welcome to my educative channel. I'm Dr. Ricardo Giustra, plastic surgeon, Buenos Aires, Argentina. I'm Chief of Plastic Surgery of Pena Hospital, Professor of the University of Medicine, and I dedicated my life to work with laser and minimally invasive procedures. I developed many techniques of facial rejuvenation without skin resection. I published my technique in International Society of Plastic Surgeons. I have recognition for the most prestigious plastic surgeons and entities of the world. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of the facial rejuvenation with carbon dioxide laser. For me, it is impossible to rejuvenate the face without using carbon dioxide laser. I'm going to explain why. We can see this severe photoaging of the skin. Here we can see a lot of wrinkles, photo damage, flaccidity, sulcus. And do you really think that the technique that they are using in the whole world, that is skin resection, is a correct technique? Think about this. The conventional technique, blepharoplasty, resect a thin strip here. But what happened with the rest of the skin? No change of photoaging, no skin contraction. Here we can see the conventional technique resect skin here and pulling down the eyebrow, and all this area remain the same. Impossible. And this is the patient 4 days after the procedure. In this patient, I performed a full facial rejuvenation, endoscopic brow lift, face and neck rejuvenation, lift, and my personal technique of the periorbital rejuvenation without skin resection, because my concept is preserve the skin, rejuvenate the skin, tightening the skin instead of resecting the skin. It is absolutely unnecessary resect the skin of the periorbital area. I think the future of my contribution to the science will be this. From here to here, from the nose to here, all this part of the face is not needed skin resection at all. You can see I have 2,000 educative videos. I have publication about this thing. And this is ugly at this moment. Yes, it is. But the patient decide this ugliness, because when we use high energy of carbon dioxide laser, I rejuvenate the full skin in just one session. But if the patient comes and said, "Doctor, I need to work in 7 days, 10 days, I'm going to use less laser energy, I'm going to get a quickly recovery, and I'm going to get a less result, but have the possibility in the next year to do another one, another one, and the combination and the 1 plus plus plus, maybe we have the same result but in different sessions." I hope this is understandable. The patient choose this. I'm not choosing this. The degree of energy of the laser that I perform is according to the skin photoaging and the social need of the patient. Mixing both take one energy. And this is happening, I think, 30 days after the procedure. And here, this is redness, and here I think is a little hyperpigmentation, because the high energy of the laser can produce a transitory hyperpigmentation that can be resolved with some cream, or also another laser that is not aggressive for the skin, just only. This is the patient, and this is after the time. You can see the result. No scar, no scar. All the skin was rejuvenated with the energy of the laser. The laser works with a nutrient, a feeder of the skin, stimulate the collagen, rejuvenate the collagen, and this is a process of rejuvenation instead of process of skin damage. Is a skin rejuvenation and skin tightening, completely opposed. No? Conventional procedure, skin damage. This kind of procedure, skin rejuvenation, skin tightening, completely opposed. And here we can see the result, and also this area. The fillers are completely needed in this area, because also the skin lose hyaluronic, and look this, no scar at all. No scar at all. You can see the contraction of the skin. The lower lid cheek junction is here. It's a big distance, but now it's very short. And this fullness is youthness. Very interesting. Fullness is youthness. Deepness is aging. It's not going like a sing. Well, okay. Fullness and contraction is youthness. Another patient, skin contraction with the laser, and reposition of the fat or hyaluronic acid in the malar area. And this vertical egg or oval is agingness, is oldness. Transversal egg or oval is youthness. Depletion of the cheek is elderness. A filler of the cheek is youthness. A long distance from the tarsus to here, a lower lid cheek junction very low is elderness, and when the lower lid cheek junction is high is youthness. You can see I work in the expression of the eyes. It's very important, because the expression is more important than the wrinkles. You can see this expression is not smiling, but this expression of the eyes represent another thing. This is tiredness, oldness, sadness. But when you perform endoscopic brow lift with minimal incision, and my personal technique without skin resection of the upper and lower eyelid and fullness of the cheek, you have a very nice look, natural look, long-lasting look, without scar, no scar at all. It is impossible to regenerate this patient if I don't use carbon dioxide laser. Impossible. And look at this patient, is very interesting because this patient was operated in another center many years ago. They reset skin of the upper eyelid, but not upper eyelid. Set blepharoplasty, but is resection of the eyebrow skin and pulling down the eyebrow. You are going to understand what I'm saying. Now is resecting of the skin of the lower eyelid and produce this sclera show. This tarsus must be here for the resection of the skin pulling down. And this sadness is the result of taking skin of the upper eyelid and the eyebrow and pulling down the eyebrow. Have many videos about this subject you can look for and you are going to understand. At this patient, I perform endoscopic brow lift, tightening of the skin with the laser. You can see they performed this bad surgery and they left all the wrinkles around the eyes. You can see here. Also the skin nose was. For this reason, it is impossible to get a nice, better, natural result if the surgeon is not using carbon dioxide laser. It is impossible. 26 years of experience, thousands and thousands of patients treated. Patients around the world come to my clinic to perform this procedure. Facial rejuvenation, carbon dioxide laser, and fillers. This patient was recovered in 14 days. Low energy of carbon dioxide laser, quickly recovery, tightening the skin. I'm dedicated now to the patient education. I have a website and YouTube channel with nearly 2,000 educative videos and many followers around the world. I think it's nearly 400,000. I hope you enjoy this. Have a nice day.